3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 12 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour the prepared descaling solution into the water tank. Plug in the power cord. Press the power icon to turn on the machine and wait about 1 minute for preheating. After preheating, press and hold the steam icon for 3 seconds to start the descaling program. After liquid dispenses for 25 seconds, let the machine sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the machine will dispense hot water for 25 seconds. Then let the machine sit undisturbed for 5 minutes again. After 2 complete cycles, the steam icon will flash. Turn the knob. The steam wand will then dispense water continuously for 60 seconds. Once all for indicator lights flash 5 times, the steam indicator light will flash to signal that the knob needs to be reset. Clean the water tank thoroughly, then refill it with 1 liter of fresh water. Press the favorite icon to run a 60-second rinse cycle. The descaling program is now complete, and the usage counter will reset to 0.